Situated strategically at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the West Kameng district, Bhalukpong serves as the quintessential gateway to Arunachal Pradesh, marking the dramatic ecological transition from the humid plains of Assam to the rugged mountainous terrain of the northeast. Dominated by the turquoise waters of the Kameng River, which fuels a thriving adventure tourism industry centered on whitewater rafting, angling, and trekking. The town is enveloped by lush subtropical evergreen forests and acts as the vital entry point for the renowned Bom Dilla Tawang tourist circuit. Beyond its scenic allure, Bhalukpong is steeped in mythology and history, deriving its name from the ancient king Bhaluka, the grandfather of the legendary king Banasura, whose legacy is faintly preserved in the dilapidated stone ruins of the 10th century Bhalukpong fort, scattered along the riverbanks. The region is an ecological hotspot, hosting the famed Teepee Orchidarium just a few kilometers away, which shelters over 500 rare and endangered orchid species, while also serving as a buffer zone for the biodiversity-rich Pakri Tiger Reserve, a haven for hornbills, elephants, and big cats. Culturally, the town is the heartbeat of the Aka tribe, whose vibrant traditions, distinct weaving styles, and annual Nyathaidao festival add a rich anthropological layer to this destination that harmoniously blends ancient legend, intense biodiversity, and adrenaline-inducing adventure. Perched at a lofty altitude of approximately 8,500 feet in the eastern Himalayas, Bomdila is the scenic headquarter of the West Kameng district and a vital strategic hub that serves as a cultural and geographical bridge between the foothills of Assam and the high-altitude Tawang region. Once a virgin forest, until established as the capital of the Seller sub-agency by Major Alengnau Khading in the 1950s, the town is today a vibrant center of the Monpa tribe, whose Tibetan-influenced heritage is magnificently preserved in the Jensa Gadeng Ragyal Aling Monastery, a replica of the historic Sona Gondsa Monastery in Tibet. The town offers panoramic vistas of snow-capped giants like Kangtu and Gorichin peaks, and is famed for its sprawling apple orchards that turn the landscape into a lush canvas of green and red during harvest season. Historically significant as a major theatre of the 1962 Sino-Indian War, commemorated by a solemn war memorial, Bomdila also attracts nature enthusiasts, with its proximity to the Iglanist Wildlife Sanctuary, a birdwatching paradise, and its craft center, which showcases the region's exquisite dragon design carpets and traditional wooden masks. Situated in the West Kameng district at an altitude of approximately 6,400 feet, Shergaon is a picturesque, eco-conscious village that serves as the cultural heartland of the Sherdukpen tribe, an indigenous community believed to be descendants of a Tibetan prince and an Assamese princess. Enveloped by misty hills and dense forests of oak and pine, the village is a model of sustainable rural tourism, famed for its sprawling state-run horticulture farms that produce some of the region's finest apples, kiwis, and walnuts, as well as for its vibrant berry orchards. The landscape is dotted with spiritual and historical landmarks, including the ancient Zengbu Gompa and the mysterious megalithic stone structures known as Langta in the nearby Zentek Valley, which hint at a prehistoric past. Culturally, Shergaon comes alive during the colorful Kro Cheko festival, a celebration of religious fervor and traditional dances, while nature lovers are drawn to the cascading Choskorong waterfall and the village's unique conservation efforts, such as the community-protected trout fisheries. Strategically located on the alternate Kalktang Rupa route to Tawang, Shergaon offers a tranquil, immersive retreat where ancient tribal traditions effortlessly blend with modern eco-tourism initiatives like the annual Rhododendron Festival. Situated in the West Kameng district at an altitude of approximately 6,500 feet, Tenzing Gao is a serene, majestic Tibetan refugee settlement that stands as a unique cultural island amidst the indigenous Monpa heartland. Established in 1972 on the land generously donated by the local Domko village in honor of the 14th Dalai Lama. The village is visually defined by its orderly rows of prayer flags, the magnificent colorful architecture of the Gyuto Tantric monastery, which was originally re-established here by exiled monks before its main seat shifted to Dharamshala. Today, the settlement is a quiet spiritual haven, comprising of scattered hamlets and the Sambhota Tibetan school, all enveloped by mist-covered hills and lush temperate forests. Economically, it is a thriving agrarian hub, famous for producing some of the region's finest organic apples, kiwis, and tomatoes, which tourists can explore through farm walks. Tenzing Gao offers a distinctly different vibe from neighboring Shergao or Dirang. It is a place where the deep resonant chanting of monks blends with the rural tranquility of a resilient community that has meticulously preserved its Tibetan heritage, language, and Mahayana traditions in exile. Situated in the picturesque West Kameng district at an altitude of approximately 4,900 feet, Dirang is a Serene hill station that serves as a vital acclimatization stopover on the journey to Tawang, offering a perfect blend of history, culture, and pastoral beauty. Nestled on the banks of the Kaming River, this lush valley is the cultural heartland of the Monpa tribe, best experienced through a visit to the Dirang Dezong, a centuries-old fortified village with stone houses and narrow lanes that dates back to the 17th century and once functioned as a jail during the World War. The town acts as a spiritual center with the majestic Thapsing Dhargye Lind Monastery, a center of learning inaugurated by Dalai Lama, and the ancient Gompa, both offering panoramic views of the valley. Ecologically unique, Dirang is home to India's only national research center on yak, located at Niglok, and is famous for its natural hot water springs, believed to possess medicinal properties. Situated at an altitude of approximately 7,500 feet in the West Kaming district, Thembang Heritage Village is an ancient, fortified settlement of immense historical weight, and a nominee for the UNESCO World Heritage List. Strategically perched on a hilltop about 55 kilometers northeast of Bomdila, it is one of the oldest villages in the region, formerly a headquarters of the powerful Thembang Bapu, who was a local chieftain believed to be descendants of Tibetan kings. The village is architecturally unique, defined by its traditional dezong structure, featuring composite stone masonry, and two massive medieval stone gates in north and south, that once guarded its inhabitants during inter-tribal wars. Culturally, it is a living museum of the Monpa tribe, who preserve their indigenous heritage through sustainable community-based eco-tourism and homestay that offer a glimpse into their agrarian lifestyle. Historically, Thembang is significant as a key stop on the Bailey Trail. The historic route taken by British officers Bailey and Mosshead was a fierce battleground during the 1962 Sino-Indian War, a legacy now commemorated by a war memorial for the Indian soldiers who fought to hold this critical defensive position. Situated approximately 15 kilometers from Dirang in the West Kameng district, Sangthi Valley is an ethereally beautiful, low-lying pastoral sanctuary that serves as a tranquil alternative to the rugged highlands of Arunachal Pradesh. Nestled at an altitude of roughly 5,000 feet along the banks of the crystal-clear Sangthi River, the valley is a visual tapestry of golden maize fields, paddy terraces, and bountiful fruit orchards famously producing kiwis, apples, apricots, and persimmons. It is culturally anchored by the Monpa tribe, whose traditional stone and wood houses and ancient Mahayana Buddhist practices, evident in the local monastery, and fluttering prayer flags coexist harmoniously with the land. Ecologically, the valley is of immense significance as one of the few wintering grounds in India for the rare and endangered black-necked crane, which migrates here from the Tibetan Plateau between November and March, and the arrival considered deeply auspicious by the locals. Beyond birdwatching, The valley is renowned for its government-run sheep breeding farm and offers a serene escape for campers and trekkers looking to experience the unspoiled side of the eastern Himalayas. Tucked away just a few kilometers from Dirang in the West Kameng district, Chug Valley is an ethereally beautiful hidden gem, often described as a time capsule of the Monpa way of life. Situated at an altitude of approximately 6,000 feet, this pastoral sanctuary is crisscrossed by the glistening waters of the Chug River and framed by rolling hills, blanketed in temperate broadleaf forests and pine groves, which serve as a habitat for the elusive red panda. The valley is visually defined by its golden terraced fields of maize and millet, interspersed with ancient, double-storied stone houses that feature distinctive wooden balconies, reflecting a centuries-old architectural tradition that has remained remarkably intact. Culturally, it is the heartland of the pastoral Monpa community, who practice a unique blend of Mahayana Buddhism and animism, evident in the valley's sacred groves and the quiet presence of the local Gomphas. In recent years, Chug has gained recognition as a model for community-based eco-tourism and conservation, celebrated for its seasonal blooms of cosmos flowers that turn the landscape into a riot of pink and purple in autumn, and for its emerging culinary heritage scene, centered on reviving lost tribal recipes like millet-based dishes. Situated at a formidable altitude of approximately 13,700 feet on the border between the West Kameng and Tawang districts, Seller Pass is a high-altitude strategic lifeline that serves as the only gateway connecting the Buddhist town of Tawang to the rest of India. Geographically stunning, the pass is perpetually blanketed in snow for most of the year, and is home to the crystal-clear Seller Lake, one of the 101 sacred lakes in Tibetan Buddhism, that freezes solid in winter, creating a mesmerizing white landscape. Historically, the pass is enshrined in valor and tragedy from the 1962 Sino-Indian War. It is named after Seller, a local Monpa girl, who reportedly sacrificed her life while helping the legendary rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat to hold off Chinese troops single-handedly. This is a tale of love and patriotism that deeply etched into local folklore. While the pass itself is treacherous and often closed due to heavy snowfall, the recent inauguration of the Seller Tunnel in March 2024, the world's longest bi-lane tunnel at an altitude of 13,000 feet, has revolutionized connectivity, bypassing the snow-bound summit to provide all-weather access for civilians and the military alike. This cemented the region's status as a blend of breathtaking natural beauty, spiritual sanctity, and modern strategic infrastructure. Situated at a majestic altitude of approximately 10,000 feet in the northwestern corner of Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang is a spiritually charged and strategically vital high-altitude town that serves as the cultural citadel of the Monpa tribe. Often veiled in mist and prayer flags, the town is dominated by the colossus of the Tawang Monastery, founded in 1681, which stands as the largest Buddhist monastery in India and the second largest in the world, preserving a rich repository of scriptures and gold-lettered manuscripts. The region holds immense religious weight as the birthplace of the 6th Dalai Lama and was the first point of refuge for the 14th Dalai Lama during his 1959 escape from Tibet. Historically, Tawang is etched with the scars and valor of the 1962 Sino-Indian War, a legacy solemnly immortalized at the Tawang War Memorial, a stupa-like structure that overlooks the valley and honors 2,220 soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice. Beyond its history, the landscape is a dramatic canvas of frozen beauty, featuring the cinematic Madhuri Lake, the thunderous 100-meter drop of Nuranang Falls, and the treacherous yet breathtaking Bumla Pass on the Indo-China border, all accessible via the snow-clad Seller Pass, making Tawang a potent blend of divine tranquility, patriotic fervor, and raw Himalayan grandeur. Situated at a breathtaking altitude of approximately 15,200 feet on the Indo-China border, Bum La Pass is a desolate, yet historically momentous windswept corridor, located about 37 kilometers from Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. This high-altitude pass, often blanketed in heavy snow and accessible only via a treacherous, permit-restricted road, holds immense strategic and emotional significance as one of the 4 officially designated border personnel meeting points, where Indian and Chinese armies conduct regular consultative drills to maintain peace. Historically, it is etched in memory as the fierce battleground of the 1962 Sino-Indian War, where Subedar Joginder Singh led a heroic defense against waves of invading forces, and significantly, it served as the critical escape route for the 14th Dalai Lama, when he fled Tibet to seek refuge in India in 1959. Today, the pass is a pilgrimage of patriotism for civilians, to witness the heroism of the departed souls, in the thinning air with the Friendship Monument and the nearby Madhuri Lake, offering a stark, freezing glimpse into the geopolitical tension and raw beauty of the line of actual control. Located at a breathtaking altitude of approximately 12,165 feet in the Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh, Sangetsar So is a high-altitude lake popularly known as Madhuri Lake, after the Bollywood actress Madhuri Dixit, who filmed a song sequence for movie Koila here in 1997. Geologically unique, the lake was formed by a massive earthquake that shifted tectonic plates, blocking a river and submerging a dense pine forest. Today, the dead tree trunks of that submerged forest still stand upright in the crystal clear water, creating an eerie, surreal landscape. Originally a grazing pasture for the local Monpa tribe, the lake is situated about 35 kilometers from Tawang town, on the route to the strategic Bumla Pass, near the Indo-China border. Due to its sensitive location, the area is maintained by the Indian Army, who also run a cafeteria for tourists braving the freezing winds. Visiting here requires a special permit, making it a destination that fascinates travelers with its blend of cinematic fame, raw natural beauty, and geopolitical significance.